Is it a new battery that you just never charged in the first place?
No, I killed it this morning.
Oh.
So everybody follow me because I know how to get home.
Hey, don't do that. I'm telling you right now, I'm a motorcycle mechanic. Been all my life. You're going to blow your rectifier. I can tilt off that car.
Yeah?
Yes. Instantly. If not already. Kawasaki, yeah. Holman, nice shape. Or Honda, yeah. It'll blow the rectifier regulator right out.
So what do I do?
You got to either trickle charge it or jump it off another motorcycle because you can't. Car battery is 65 amps minimum. You got 12 amp battery. That'll fry it. Believe me, I know from experience. Okay. Can't bump start it? Is that dead?
I'd just rather not.
Why?
I've just never done that before.
What, bump start it?
Yeah.
Perfect. Right here. You got any juice at all?
What?
You got any juice at all?
A tiny bit.
Here we go. Just hit your starter button. Yeah, it'll start. It'll start. Just second gear. Yeah, no, everybody makes that mistake when they do that. Alright, you ready? I'll give you a push. What year is Cali?
It's a 79.
I worked for Kawasaki for years. Second gear.
Perfect.
Hey, Trevi learned a new thing today.
Yeah. I thought he didn't want to bump start it because...
I told him to do that before.
Well, I don't know why he didn't do that before. I thought the reason he wasn't doing it is because he just rebuilt the engine. He was like, oh, I don't want to like put that much stress on it. But I didn't know it was just because he hadn't done it. But that's like, dude, before I replaced my starter and my coils, I had to do that every time with my bike. I thought you didn't want to do that because you just rebuilt the motor. I didn't know you'd never done it.
No, I just didn't want to embarrass myself.
Oh, dude, no, do that. Like, seriously, I had to do that every single time before I replaced my starter. It's like, it'll work every time. Sweet, all right, let's roll. These come out of the trunk. Where were these? Why didn't it running for the amount of time that you left it running before didn't charge it at all?
Because it takes a lot of juice to start it.
I guess so, yeah. Do you think it'll charge it between now and your place?
You just need it to run for a while at high RPM. Running at idle, it's not going to charge.
Yeah, I guess so, yeah.
Basically at idle, it'll charge it just enough to keep the lights running.
Yeah. Now, if he was right about what he was saying, which...
He's not. My rectifier's good.
I was going to say, wouldn't you have blown it before, all the other times you did it?
Yeah.
I bet if you started the car, it would really royally screw it up. But just to hook it up, I mean, people do that all the time. I mean, he's got a point. It's just I don't think that it's going to be an issue, you know? Okay, off we go. Trav's doing circles in the gas station. Burning a lot of oil.
So there's smoke coming out of my exhaust, quite a bit. Is it on acceleration?
Primarily. It wasn't doing it as much just now when you were going around the building.
We'll watch it. We'll see what happens.
There's no way it's gonna start. Ah! Alright.
Alright, ready?
Well, wait, hold on. Let's get pointed in the right direction here. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Woo! There's my workout for the day. Why'd you stop?
I was waiting for them.
Fuck. Well, you picked the worst spot.
Yeah. Wait till this part.
Well, I want to get you over to the other side so we can go downhill.
No, let's go right now.
This is one of the most gorgeous roads, but it sucks when you get stuck in a line of traffic.
If you're watching this, then Charles is dead.
Don't send help.
Don't send help.
I know it would be pretty weird.
This is day 3 in the woods. It's pretty rough out here. Yesterday I
Wait a minute, you gotta
had
angle
to
it.
kill Charles
Hold on.
and eat him.
Hold on, you gotta angle it so you can't see the handlebars. So it makes it look like you're actually in the middle of nowhere.
No, Trav, here's where you go.
This is day 3, out of the woods. It's pretty crazy out here. Something like that, something along those lines. Gotta be on all fours, gotta be out of breath, gotta be looking at your 6.
Probably should tear holes in your shirt first.
Yeah.
I mean, spread some dirt on your face.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yesterday I found a piece of meat on the ground and I ate it.
Trav, you're not out of breath.
At first it looked like human lips, but then I confirmed that it was definitely deer vagina. So,
Here we go.
a lot of dirt falling from the trees. Pretty crazy weather out here.
Those dirt
Craziest I've ever seen.
Once you have made your donuts, put them aside.